Welcome to Cringeworthy Overland. I'm Floorjack Cringeworthy. For this episode, we're in the Coconino National Forest in northern Arizona. I've heard it pronounced Coconino. Welcome to the Cock. Thank you, Sir Sean Connery, but I'm pretty sure it's Coconino National Forest. This is the largest contiguous ponderosa pine forest in the world. For this episode, I'm taking a diversion from my usual overland misadventures to bring you a very important message. 5 rules of overland etiquette you didn't know you were breaking. Why am I doing this? I've been camping and adventuring my whole life, but in the last few years, things have changed. Something happened a few years ago that triggered a vast and sweeping movement of heavily underprepared humans to the outdoors. Let's see, what was it? 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020. Oh, that's right. A global mega pandemic. Yeah, you know who you are. Let's get a camper van and go camping because it looks amazing and glamorous on Instagram, but you don't know the first thing about camping or that there even is a camping etiquette, and I'm putting an upward inflection at the end of every sentence even though I'm not asking a question? Yeah, you know who you are. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but there are certain courtesies that will make everyone's camping experience more pleasant and leave nature in much better shape. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Paulie. He'll be our example of what not to do. Yo, I'm Paulie, the post-pandemic camper. That's 3 P's. I have so much pee I can't even contain myself. But even more toxically, I have no grassroots education in outdoor adventure. I believe nature is my own personal Disneyland, but without the long lines and exorbitant entry fees. By the way, you missed a belt loop. What? Made you look. Damn it. Let's get started. Rule number 1. The fire pit is not your trash can. I mean, I love Mother Nature and the wilderness and all that, but I'm just gonna Henry David Thoreau this in the fire pit. Hey, and who the heck are you? I'm Henry David thoroughly disgusted with your behavior. So you better clean that up and leave no trace, or I'm going to leave a trace of my boot on an undesirable place. Your butt. I'm just going to put on my Apple AirPods and ignore you. Never mind. This is just floss. Yeah, that's what I thought. Rule number 2. Not everyone wants a neighbor, so give people some space. I, for one, go outdoors to get away from people, so the last thing I want is a crowded house. What's up, neighborino? Welcome to my vicinity. Really? We're in the largest contiguous ponderosa pine forest in the world, and you had to pick the exact same spot as me? Really? Really? Well, I thought you could use some company. Really? 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 How many times are you going to say that? Really? Really? Alright, I can take a hint. Namaste. Jerk. How about I namaste and you nama get out of here? Rule C. My bad. Rule number 3. Set up camp in a flat spot devoid of vegetation. Try to find a spot that's been camped in before, or even better, designated for camping by the presence of a fire pit or fire ring. This will minimize your human impact on the environment. Look, I found the ideal campsite. Yeah, perfect. What a great place for me to find my inner calm. Hey, buddy. You're disturbing my meditation and I choose to ignore you. You're supposed to set that up on a level spot, devoid of vegetation, preferably one that's designated for camping by the presence of a fire ring. I'm sensing with my third eye that you are very much filled with aggression and angst right now. Or maybe your third eye needs to meet my third fist. Whoa. Rule number 4. Don't run generators, loud heaters, lights, and music at night if other campers are nearby. Light pollution and noise pollution, even though they don't linger in the environment, are still forms of pollution. And even if people don't care, the animals certainly don't find it natural.
Yeah, it's party time. I don't even care that I can't carry a tune or keep a beat.
Excuse me, is there any way that you could, turn that down?
Yeah, I'm getting down, that's for sure. I'm getting down.
I said turn that down.
Or else what?
Or else I'm gonna make a noise that's even more irritating.
You wouldn't dare. Okay, I get it. But you better sleep with one eye open tonight.
And you better sleep with your mouth closed.
Gross. Rule number 5.
This is related to the last point, but if you arrive at night, arrive discreetly. You never know who might already be in the area trying to sleep.
Ah, what the? Roll out the red carpet, for the king hath arrived.
Do you think you could try a little harder to arrive quietly and discreetly and not disturb every single human, animal, and plant in the world's largest contiguous ponderosa pine forest?
Whatevs, brah. I'm feeling my vibe right now. I'm just gonna do my thing, drink a few beers, go side by side in the morning, in my side by side. Hey, are you airing down my tires, brah?
Yeah, I think both your tires and your ego need to go down a few psi. I think that went really well. I think Paulie's got a much better handle on camping and overlanding etiquette now.
Ah, glass is sharp.
He's gonna be all right.
Welcome to the Coconino, baby.
Coconino,
The Coconino.
Coco-Nino. Welcome to Cringeworthy Overland. I'm Venerio DeCease. I'm Struts Dupree. I'm Chance McGillicuddy. I am CNN correspondent, Birthmarks Glazingham.